Ladies and gentlemen, good day. Welcome to Tai'an Dongtai. We are professional manufacturer for diesel injection test bench, tools, and spare parts. Today we'll introduce you our multifunctional test bench, model number CR918S. This test bench has 3 workstation functions. With these 3 workstation functions, you can test common rail injector, EUI, and HEUI independently. You don't have to remove these tools every time. Let's compare to our another multifunctional test bench. For this test bench, you need to change the tools every time. For example, if you want to test the common rail injector, you need to install the common rail pump and the common rail injector support. And if you want to test the EUI, you need to remove this common rail pump and the common rail injector support. If you want to test HEUI, you need to install the common rail pump and HEUI support every time. To achieve these 3 workstation function, we need to set independent oil route underneath this machine. Please follow me. This is the supply motor for the CP3 common rail pump. These 2 test common rail injector. This is the supply motor for diesel oil. This is the supply motor for engine oil. This is the oil tank of engine oil. The plunger pump is installed inside of this oil tank. This is the diesel oil tank. So in this way, to achieve independent oil route, so we can have the 3 workstations function. Now let's compare to our old model. This is the construction for our old model. As you can see, the oil routine is not independently. Now let's see the details for this CR918S test bench. This test bench has the function for common rail injector, coding, EUI, HEUI injector, common rail pump part, Denso HP5 pump, HP0 pump, HEU pump, Caterpillar pump function. For this common rail injector function, as you can see all the brands, such as Bosch, Caterpillar, Cummins, Delphi, Denso, Volvo, and so on. For coding function, you can select the brand, such as Bosch, Delphi, Denso, Siemens, and Cummins. This is EUI. You can choose the brand here. This is Caterpillar injector. Common rail pump. The brand has Bosch, Cummins, Delphi, Denso, Siemens, and so on. This is common rail pump part function. It can also test Denso HP0 pump. You can choose the model. Denso HP5 pump, HEU pump, also Caterpillar pump. For other functions is optional functions. You can choose as per your needs. Now let's move to the details for this test bench. This is the control buttons for this test bench. keyboard. Let's move to the inside of the test bench. This is the engine oil tank, diesel oil tank, fast cooling system, supply motor for diesel oil and engine oil, supply motor for common rail pump. The common rail pump is behind of the motor. We can see later. This is the design. We have two drawers for you to put your tools or the cables. The power switch. This is the frequency converter and our cable connection. It is the cooling fan, filters for engine oil. It is percentage valve to adjust the percentage for engine oil and diesel oil when you test Heui function. 5 Bosch original filters. This is the Bosch CP3 pump. This is the main motor for this test bench. You can check the kilowatt. It is 18.5 kilowatt. This is the filters, solenoid valve, and flow sensors. This is for the common rail injector. This is for engine oil and diesel oil. This is the control unit for this system. Now let's move to our 3 workstations function. As you can check, all the functions are on the same work area: UI, UP, common rail injector, and Heui. This is the pressure gauge and the cable connections from this area and this area. This is the common rail with the RV and the fuel metering valve. Next, we'll show you the 3 workstation function. First, we'll show you how to test the common rail injector. Now allow our engineer to show the functions. First, we'll test the common rail injector. Install the common rail injector on the support. And choose common rail injector function on the system. Choose the model. Continue the test. As you can see, when we test the common rail injector, we don't have to remove the UI, UP cam box and the Heui support. Now the test is finished. You can check the test report with all the test parameters. You can also save and print this test report. You can print the test report, use the printer. Next, our engineer will show you how to test HEU injector. First, let's see the connection for the oil pipe. This is the engine oil supply oil pipe. This is the diesel oil supply oil pipe. This is the diesel oil out pipe. This is the engine oil out pipe. Next, we'll show you the test procedure. First, choose HEUI function on the system. Choose the correct injector number and continue the test. Turn on the fuel pump. Also, when you test HEUI function, you don't need to remove the common rail injector support and the cam box. Now the test is finished. you can check the test report or save or print this test report. Use the printer. Turn off the fuel pump. Next, our engineer will show you how to test EUI EUP. First, follow me to check the connection. This is the oil supply pipe. Connect with here. This is the oil return pipe. This is the BIP cable. Connect with the BIP here. This is the oil injection. As you can see, connect with the flow sensor. This is the double solenoid valve cable. This is our new model cam box. These are all the collectors and adapters for this cam box. Now we'll show you the test procedure. First, choose EUI EUP function on our system. Choose the correct injector number. Continue the test. Turn on the fuel pump and start the test. Now the test is finished. You can check the test report here. Also, you can save and print this test report by this printer. After the test, you need to turn off the fuel pump. That's all the introduction for our CR918S multifunctional test bench with 3 workstation function. With this function, you will save a lot of time. As you know, time is money. So please choose Dongtai. Thanks.